Welcome to Pomodoro Joe for Wednesday, May 3rd, 2023. Today we're looking at LeetCode problem 2215, find the difference of two arrays. This is an easy problem. So given two zero-indexed integer arrays, nums1 and nums2, return a list, answer, of size 2, where answer 0 is a list of all distinct integers in nums1 which are not present in nums2, and answers index 1 is a list of all distinct integers in nums2, which are not present in nums1. Note that the integers in the list may be returned in any order. All right, so with that, we will get started. Let's put 25 minutes on the Pomodoro timer, and here we go. So I will call our answer result. So our result will start as, well, we're going to need two arrays, or two lists. So it's a list of two elements, and each of those elements is a list itself. Now for this, I think I'm going to use a set. Now if you're not familiar with the set data structure, a set data structure is really just a collection of unique values. So a set can be initialized given any iterable, such as a list, and it will essentially just get all of the unique values and store them in the set. It's very quick to check if something is in a set. It's also very quick to put things into or remove things from a set, but it's not as easy to go through and iterate through a set in terms of ordering. There's no order to the elements in the set. So unlike the list, you can't index something in a set, and there's no order to the elements in the set. But what you can do is you can do unions, and you can do intersections, and you can do differences between sets. So that's going to help us in this particular problem. Now, if you want to find the difference, you can simply just use the subtraction operator. So in our case, we want to find the difference. So we'll have two sets, S1, and that's just going to be a set initialized with the nums1 list. Then we'll have a set 2, and that'll be initialized with nums2. Now we just need to find the difference. So essentially we can say result at index 0. Well, that's going to be, let's see, we need to do set 1 minus set 2. And result at index 1 will be set 2 minus set 1. And at the end, we just return our result. So that's it. Let's see if this works. Seems to work. Let's see if we can pass all the tests. And we do pretty well. So we pass all the tests, beating 75% for runtime and 9% for memory. So that is the simple Pythonic set way of doing this. Now most languages will have some version of a set. They might not be called set, but generally you'll find a set type data structure in most languages. All right, I guess we have a little bit of time. We can play around with this a little bit to see if we can do better. So let's see if we can do better. Let's get rid of our result here. We'll start by just doing this. Let's just directly put this here. Actually, all right, let's just return directly our set 1 and set 2 subtractions here. So this saves us one variable. It's probably not going to make that much difference. And it's exactly the same. So that doesn't save us anything. Couple lines of code. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you had fun. Hope you learned something. Hope you can go out and write better code.